Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to increase unlimited RAM on Windows 10 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, before increasing RAM, I am going to show you my computer physical RAM. Right click on taskbar and click on task manager, click on performance and then click on memory. Look, I have 16 GB RAM here. Now I'm going to increase my RAM. Close task manager. Now click on start menu and click on settings and then click on system, click on storage and then click on show more categories and then click on system and reserved. Look, my virtual memory is 2.39 GB. Now I am going to increase this virtual memory. Close settings, insert type, advanced system settings. Click on view advanced system settings and then click on advanced tab, and under performance you will find settings. Click on settings and then click on advanced tab again. Here you will find the virtual memory and the current virtual memory is 2432 MB. Now click on change. You must uncheck this option, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Now click on custom size and open calculator. I want to create 16 GB. So 16 into 1024, that means 16,384 MB. The maximum size is 16,384 MB. And now I am calculating the minimum size. I will give minimum size 8 GB. 8 into 1024, 8,192. This is the minimum size, 8,192. Now click on set and then click on OK. Now the change you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Okay, now click on OK, click on apply, then click OK. Now close system properties and you need to restart your computer. Click on restart now. After restarting the computer, hope your computer RAM or memory is increased unlimited in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.